Bula. By now, if you've been following along with our Cavutago, the Fijian pronunciation guide, you should be confident with pairing each koso with each votu. You should know the drill. For the remaining koso, sa, ta, and va, we won't go through them one by one like the others. Instead, we leave it as a challenge for you. Pair each consonant with a, e, o, u, just like you've learned. You can do it rawa, and it helps you practice properly. For the last two koso, we end the Cavutago with just wa, ya.
Wa, kinaya.
We don't do we, we, wo, wu,
No.
or ye, ye, yo, you. Just wa and ya. Simple and natural. Vinaka, vakalevu for learning with us. For the full Cavutago series in one video, go and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Fiji Language Tutor.
Yes, that's all lowercase and one word. Fiji Language Tutor. Vinaka.